what's up guys? This is Daniel from Bar Shield, back with Bar Tip Tuesday, episode 126. We're just here to reiterate one of the most popular topics we have as far as barbell care goes, and that's going to be properly unloading a bar. Okay, so how many times have you seen somebody, they take the clamp off their bar and then they come to the edge and just, rip the plates off of the bar, right? So that sends this sleeve directly into contact with the ground, making that terrible crashing noise. So pretty easy fix here. All you have to do is to properly unload the plates is to create some separation between the plate and the ground, okay, like so. So it's just a quick lift up. You don't need much separation, and then slide it off. Obviously it's easier with a 10-pound plate than a 45-pound plate, but all you need is a little bit of separation. If that's too much, and you have multiple plates on the bar, you can create a mini deadlift jack by, using like a fractional plate, whether it's a 2.5, a 5, put it under, the plate that's closest to the collar here. That's going to elevate the plates and the bar off the ground, and it's easier to slide the plates off without sending the sleeve directly into the ground, crashing into the ground. Okay, so it's going to be the most the most common with a novice or beginner in the gym. So if you're a coach, make sure to communicate this to your classes. Demonstrate how to correctly remove the plates. If you see it happening, please tell them. It's not a big deal if it happens every once in a while, but these drops into the ground over and over again are going to damage the hardware that's inside the sleeve, the snap rings, the washers, because it's basically serving as a battering ram right here. So it doesn't, so the sleeve doesn't pop off. So just keep that in mind, okay? So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we'll see you next week.